We've chatted with users and heard that they get frustrated when they have to build a process over and over again. With Julius, you could build a workflow and automate all of these processes. All you need to do is build the process once, save it as a workflow, and hit run every time you want to use it. There's two different ways to do this. First, you can just tell Julius in detail the analysis you want to automate, and it will create a step-by-step workflow all for you. All you have to do is type out what you're looking for. It's just that easy. Let's show you an example. Say you're in marketing and just got back from a conference. You want to pull a list of all of the leads you got from the events that week and need to remove all of the duplicates. Check the workflow that was generated to make sure that all the steps are there. And then, if you need to add in or remove anything, edit the workflow as needed. Once you're ready, run your workflow and get your results in seconds. Now, if you plan to do this many times throughout the year, save your workflow by giving it a name and always use it when you need it. You could also share it with your team so they have access to it. Let's show you the second way to build a workflow. If you already know the steps you want to create and want to have more control on the cells, you can just create a blank workflow from scratch and add and edit the cells one by one. Start by uploading the file you want to examine. Check to see if there's any duplicate rows by adding in a prompt cell. Now that we know that there are duplicate rows, you can preview them before you remove them. Need these gone? Just ask Julius to do it. Let's add a final cell to generate the CSV and give us a link to download the file. That's how easy it is to create a workflow in Julius. Now imagine you had to do this daily or multiple times per week. It can quickly become time-consuming and take time away from the higher leverage tasks you should be doing. With Julius, you can automate the entire process so you can focus on what matters. Give it a try and let us know what else you want to see from us in the comments below.